In this video, I'm gonna show you how to log out Facebook from all devices. This is applicable to both Android and iOS. So let's get started. First, open Facebook app on your mobile. Now tap Menu at the bottom right side. Tap Gear icon, which is for settings, located at the top right side. On the Settings and Privacy page, tap See More in Account Center. Under Account Setting, tap Password and Security. On Password and Security page, under Security Checks, tap Where you have logged in option. Now select Facebook account that you wish to log out. Here it will show you all those devices where you have logged in to your Facebook account. Simply tap Select Devices to log out. Next, tap Select All. Now tap Logout button at the bottom. You will get a confirmation box, and upon confirmation, your Facebook account will be logged out of all the devices. So that is how you can log out Facebook from all devices. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.